Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use a Spotify premium code. Already you can see we just searched on our browser Spotify Redeem. Now once you search for it on your Google search or any other search engine, you're going to see one of the first options, Spotify Redeem. You're going to make sure to tap on it, and once it does, it's going to take you to this page. Now, at the top right corner, you just want to tap on the hamburger menu and make sure that it shows log out. If it's showing log out, it means that you're already logged in. If you're not logged in, make sure to tap the login or sign in option in order to be logged on to your account. I'm going to just tap on the X at the top right corner. So we've just shown that we're logged in already. And you just search for Spotify Redeem. By searching on it and tapping on that link, it takes you here, and this is where you get to put in your Spotify premium code. So you're just going to tap on the empty area there, the input field, and then go ahead and put in your Spotify premium code. Once you do that, you're going to tap on continue in order to activate it or initiate your Spotify premium code. So this is how to use a Spotify premium code.